Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. Your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar with continuous commitment to improve your financial skills and knowledge. Today's topic of discussion is how to make an elevator pitch. Elevator pitch? What are we talking about? Yes, imagine a situation that in a posh tower of South Bombay, you just entered the elevator and Ratan Tata stepped in right behind you. He wants to go on to the 30th floor. Now, you and Ratan Tata both are in that elevator till you go from ground floor to 30th floor. What will you talk to him? What will you tell him such that he is willing to fund your latest startup business idea? Remember, you just have 2 minutes. Let's discuss. 4 crisp parameters. Parameter 1. What is the problem that your business idea is planning to solve? So, are you solving the problem of people getting jobs? Are you solving the problem of food delivery to your doorstep? Are you solving the problem of people getting public transport? Point number 2. Solution with a value differentiator. What is the solution of the problem? I know a guy who put up a pipe in Himachal Pradesh to create an ice stupa to solve the problem of melting ice and storing water at a higher altitude without using water tanks. He got funded. Your solution has to be so unique that it differentiates in value for people. Point number 3, credibility. Why you? There are so many people who can solve so many problems. So why are you to be chosen to solve this problem? What are your credentials? What makes you a perfect fit to address this issue? Point number 4, capability. What is your capability? What are the resources other than money that you are willing to bring to table to bring this business idea to fruition? Are you having a team of experts? Do you have the requisite software? Do you have the requisite hardware? Do you have the requisite knowledge or expertise required to address this issue? That's it. You will just be able to close within 2 minutes. To recap, 4 crisp points. Point number 1, problem statement. Point number 2, solution statement. Point number 3, your credibility. And point number 4, your capability. Friends, these are the 4 key points required in an elevator pitch. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel. If you haven't subscribed and pressed the bell button, do it now. Our channel, Finance Tube. The vegetables is paid after 1 week and the fries are paid after 3 months because they are imported from US. So